Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching TikTok Live Studio and choosing the scene where you want text. This is important because scenes store overlays. Once done, add or confirm your camera and mic sources so text will overlay correctly. Make sure your internet is stable at around 5 Mbps upload, otherwise viewers see lag. You will now add a text source. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel and proceed to add a new text overlay, which prepares the editable layer for customization. Now you add the text content and format it so viewers read easily. Click the newly added text source, type your message, and drag the box to the desired location. Next, open Properties to choose font family, size, color, and alignment. These choices affect readability and mood. Once done, tweak opacity, shadow, and padding. Make sure to anchor or lock position so text stays put when you switch scenes. If you need precise placement, use the transform controls to snap to 16:9 guides. Finish by adding a subtle animation or transition if you want movement. Keep it minimal so the text remains legible. Once done, preview the scene and test on a private stream or recording to confirm timing, size, and visibility. Make adjustments and save the scene before you go live. Start the stream when ready and monitor chat and video. If the text fails to appear, check the source order, ensure visibility is enabled, and confirm you have the correct scene active. This fixes most display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.